Alright guys, I've decided to quit YouTube and I'm gonna settle down and be a sheep herder here in India. Alright guys, just remember, whenever you buy anything cotton, always buy Indian.
Yeah.
You want your wool from here. Look at that.
Donkey
We got a
also.
donkey in the mix too. I just noticed that. What's the donkey have on it? Can you ask him?
Oh.
Alright, inside of these sacks that you see here on the donkeys, there's actually lambs. They have little baby lambs inside of these bags. The donkeys are just carrying them along. Oh, there's some goats in here too. Yeah, and there they go. Lots of opportunities here in India. Where are we?
We are in the village countryside.
Gangu.
Gangu.
Gangu. Yeah. So we're in another village and another home. We're hanging out. We're gonna probably have chai very shortly if I had a guess. So we'll see.
This is right. There is no doubt. Because this is the bloody hospitality of India.
All right, guys. I've never done this before, but I'm gonna milk a goat. It's gonna be that one, I think. So let's see how this goes. It's already
Okay. Lean go for milking from the he goat.
How to
Do like this. See? Do
from up here? Okay.
like this.
No. No?
Just see like this and this. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
थोड़ा पर हाँ दबाओ
Wait. She will teach you. Lean go for milking.
हाँ ये हाँ
Yes.
ये
Yes.
All right, I'm doing it. I'm milking
Yes.
a goat.
Lean go for milking from the goat. See, lean. Yes. Good.
All
You're doing well.
Should I stop?
Sorry.
Should I stop? Should I?
Okay.
Good. Yeah.
मैं यो काट लियो बोल रहे होगा बोल रहे होगा आयो होगा
Look at that. That's professional.
Yes, professional.
बस काटो मतलब
हाँ ये करे you done
No, keep doing video. Yeah, it's fine.
काट लियो Okay, Ling going to make delicious non-veg.
Yep. I'm learning to cook here in India. These are my base ingredients.
Yes.
Follow along. You'll learn how to cook like an Indian, like me.
Yes. Good. Take it in. Slowly. Yes, like this. Now turn to onion. Be careful.
Jump it slow.
Onion. Yes. Okay. No problem. Yes. Here, no problem. Yes. Now just slowly. Okay. It's come heating. No problem.
Fine.
These are the spices. You say Ellen about it.
Those are the spices. Faster.
Chicken.
Yes.
Like this, hard.
All right.
कद्दू के बन
Oh All right, this is the final product of the food. I helped a little bit, but most of it right here.
Lean. All credit goes to lean.
So let's eat our Rajasthani style foods.
Yes. Chicken, green salad, and chapati and salt. Yes.
It's everything you need.
Strongly.
Okay.
The weight should be behind.
Oh, behind.
Just be careful, hold.
Yes. Here we go. They brought me a camel.
ले पकड़ फैसल बिन दे क्या
Gotta watch the power lines. They're a little low here for me on the camel. This is Indian hospitality. They bring camels out for you. Hello. All right, guys, if you needed another reason to come to Rajasthan, I was at their home making food for them, and then they had one of their friends bring over a camel so I could ride a camel. This is incredible, unprecedented hospitality. I can't tell you that these people, there's literally no way they could be nicer than they are. It's great. They're really great. All right, guys. I think Rajasthan is actually the only state really known for its camels because it is the actual only desert state, or it is the only desert state in India. So it's the only place where you can go around and you'll see camels just everywhere. People have camels very commonly here just because it is a desert area. All right, it's dark out. Sorry about that. But I am on my way to the village's main market by camel. You know, I like to make an entrance. So I'll be showing you guys around the town. All right, there we go. We got some light now. You can see my camel. You can see the guy who has to escort me. And you can see the cows, the actual camel owner. Long live Rajasthan. Long live India. Jai Hind. Well, I'm sitting on the back side of the camel rather than the front, and I was just told this is actually where the lady riders sit. So unfortunately, hello, namaste. Unfortunately, I've embarrassed myself in front of the whole town. Hello. Hi. Okay. My camel just sneakily took a piece of the tree with it because it wanted a snack. But yeah, I've embarrassed myself. I'm sitting where the girls sit. I'm going home with my head hung in shame. An embarrassed, a scarred man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These people have been nothing but amazing every step of the way. Never had a single issue with anybody. People went out of their way for us at many points today. I can't thank them enough. These people are amazing. Rajasthan is great, and the people out here in the country are even better. Come out here, visit. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. More importantly, come here. If you're coming to India, this should be on your list. Rajasthan. Anywhere in Rajasthan, you'll be happy. I promise.